We'll guide you through how to adjust DaVinci Resolve export settings for Instagram. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure your project is ready for export. Head over to the Deliver page by clicking on the rocket icon at the bottom of the interface. Once you're there, look for the Render Settings panel on the left side. You need to choose Custom to manually adjust the export settings for Instagram. Set the format to MP4 and the codec to H.264, as these are the most compatible with Instagram. Next, you'll want to adjust the resolution to fit Instagram's requirements. For square posts, set the resolution to 1080 by 1080 pixels, and for vertical stories or reels, go with 1080 by 1920 pixels. Make sure the frame rate matches your project settings, which is typically 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Under the Quality section, choose Best for the best possible video quality. Scroll down to the Audio tab and ensure that audio is checked if your video includes sound. The codec should be set to AAC, with a bitrate of 320 kbps per secs for clear audio quality. Once you have all your settings in place, head over to the File tab and select a location on your computer where you want to save the exported video. You can click on the Add to Render Queue button on the bottom right of the screen. Finally, hit the Start Render button in the Render Queue panel to export your video. Now your video will be perfectly formatted for Instagram, whether you're posting a square, vertical, or horizontal video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.